If you stick a pencil in your pot of soil, you will know if the plant needs water or not. If you cut a melon in half and fill it with soil, the seeds will grow on their own and you will have lots of melon. If you give your flowers food coloring, the petals will respond a beautiful color. If the branch of your plant is broken, put water and cinnamon at the break. Hold the branch straight with 2 cotton swabs and pliers, as in the video, and the injury will be healed. If your carnivorous plants are dead, cut them as low as possible. Place them in a pot of soil and water well, and they will come back to life. If you cut the bottom off of fennel and soak the bottom in a bowl of water, the fennel will grow back and you will have a new plant. If you dry strawberry skins in the sun, then collect the seeds, plant them in a pot of soil, water, and you will have free strawberries for the rest of your life. If you squeeze a tomato into a flower pot and water regularly, you will have as many tomatoes as you want. If you crush a lemon with the palm of your hand and plant a toothpick, you can squeeze it without getting it everywhere. If you put eggshells in your dirty kitchen dish and scrub, the dirt will come off automatically.